Introducing the LCP DX 20 kW from Rittal. The liquid cooling package direct expansion 20 kW system is a flexible, easy to scale cooling and heat removal system for data infrastructure applications in the range of 5 to 20 kW, such as small data or server rooms, slab floor installations, or where chilled water is not available for cooling. This split system places the LCP in row with the equipment racks and a condenser outside of the facility. Available in two configurations, inline and rack, the inline version draws in the warm ambient air from a row or the room, removes the heat, and discharges it through an outside condenser. Cool air is then supplied to the front of the equipment. The rack version of the LCP DX is unique in that it creates a self-contained microclimate between the racks and the cooling system. In this closed-loop configuration, the heat is drawn in through the rear of the racks and the LCP, crosses through a large evaporator coil, and then is carried away to the outside condenser. The cool air is then delivered directly to the front of the adjacent equipment racks. This configuration is ideal for operating in less than ideal environments. This rack version, shown here, has 4 pull-through fans in the front and side openings at the rear to pull in the hot exhaust air, remove the heat as it passes through the evaporator coil, and then pushes the cooled air into the front of the adjacent equipment racks. Designed to maximize efficiency, this refrigerant-based split system will save you money up front on installation and reduce your energy costs throughout the service life of the product. Efficiency in design is due to 4 hot swappable EC fans that deliver 30% energy savings compared to standard fans. The inverter-driven scroll compressor and electronic expansion valve combine to deliver precision, demand-based cooling. This also leads to no sacrifice cooling capacity given over to dehumidification. A large evaporator coil engineered for higher pressures and temperatures delivers higher efficiencies at lower demand. System information such as set points and status is controlled locally on the front of the display or can be controlled and monitored remotely via Ethernet connection. The LCP Manager app clearly displays all sensors and component status and also used to configure the system. The LCP DX 20 kW from Rittal, scalable, flexible, and designed to maximize efficiency. Let Rittal protect your critical data while lowering your operating costs.